Hey y'all, my name's Landon. I'm your local listing specialist right here in Carmel, Indiana. We're at one of our current listings, 12563 Pembrooke Circle. You might recognize the property because we had it listed, but we took it off the market to do some little updates and some changes. I want to take on a tour of this really great property. Come on, let's go. Hey, here we are, Samantha. We're back at one of our current listings. My goodness, this has changed a lot. What has changed over this property?
Well, of course, I'm in the kitchen as always. My favorite place to be. But this kitchen, if you guys remember how it looked previously, there was a brown stain on the cabinets. It kind of was a two-tone type color, and now it's white. It's beautiful.
Yeah.
It makes the space look huge. It really just accentuates the whole kitchen and makes it look a lot bigger than the previous color kind of dimmed it down. So yeah, I love it.
Check it out. Here we are in the owner suite of this property. It is ginormous, like
huge.
Big.
If you guys come to an open house or you schedule a private tour with us, come check out this owner's suite. It just keeps going.
What's your favorite part?
My favorite part of this owner's suite is the closets. There's literally 3 closets in
big.
here. One big closet where all of your attire goes, but also 2 like storage closets, one for linens, the other for toiletry and towels. So that's my favorite part. What's your favorite part?
I really like that the washer and dryer are up here. There's 2 sets in the house, but there's one just for this area. Like, that's really nice. You don't have to go up and down stairs with it. It keeps it right on up here. Agreed. There's something that we haven't mentioned yet.
Something. Have you guys noticed? So when Landon introduced you at the door to, our revamped listing, he mentioned that we had made some updates. And I told you in the kitchen that we had the cabinets painted. Did you notice that the whole entire home also has been painted?
We repainted the whole entire house, a nice neutral color. A lot of the feedback we got was the color wasn't quite right. So this is a huge savings to a future buyer who's going to come in here. It looks gorgeous. The painters did an awesome job.
Yes, feels very, very much homey, and I've mentioned that a couple of times that it just feels like home in here, and we're hoping that you guys feel the same way.
Let's take you to our last spot down in the basement.
So as you guys have seen, we actually saved the best for last. This entertainment space is absolutely amazing.
I love this area.
Yeah, it's
cool.
Great.
Yeah.
I would host parties down here.
Oh yeah.
But this entertainment is just huge. And if you are an entertaining family or you have a family of kids or you have a bunch of friends, this would be a great place to, have everybody over.
If you need anything at all, don't hesitate to reach out to us. My name is Landon Bushing.
I'm Samantha Lynch.
Your contact number, Samantha?
It's 317-502-8640.
My contact number, 260-573-6316. You can also locate us online, Magnolia Lane Real Estate Team.com.